folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for watching. Also, if you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. And also, hi and welcome to my members. Thanks so much for your continued support. It helps so much. So I wanted to go over real quick the what yarn I got for Darn Good Yarns subscription for the month of October. So yeah, so this colorway is called Moonstone Veil. So this is what I got. It's white with two different shades of blue. And yes, it looks pretty rustic. It does feel softer than it looks. I will say it seems more like a cotton to me than a silk, but hey, it's worsted weight recycled silk yarn. It's from Reclaimed Saris, and I would say yes, that this time it's actually accurate. That does look like it's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. And the info it says is that it's a 2-ply, hand wash, laid flat to dry. It's made in India. It's 50 grams each hank, or 75 yards, or 68 meters. No dye lot. They recommend 5mm US 8 knitting needles or 5.5mm US I9 crochet hook. And that's what I just read to you guys. Again, this colorway is called Moonstone Veil. And this says it's the Goddess series Selene. Named after the serene lunar goddess, Selene evokes the stillness of October nights with its blend of steel blues, creams, and deep twilight hues. The worsted weight yarn is perfect for fall, soft, strong, and versatile, crafted with care by Darn Good Yarn. It reflects... Hey! Sorry, the dog moved the camera and the stand with his nose. It reflects a commitment to sustainability and mindful making, ideal for cozy garments, accessories, and heartfelt handmade gifts. And then they mentioned one of the workers, Sabrine. There's her picture. She says, meet Sabrine. Sabrine has been working for us since 2019. Her main focus is cleaning, tagging, and packing the beautiful yarns you get every month. Your subscription allows us to continue supporting women like Sabrine every day with clean working conditions and livable wages. So that's cool. This is the booklet for the Goddess this month. It's the Goddess series this year. And, okay, so this, I think the text is the same, well, the text is a little different. So inside the book it says, channeling the tranquil strength of autumn night, Selene, goddess of the moon, is a worsted weight yarn that captures the quiet magic of October with flowing shades of steel blue, cream, and dark twilight blue. This yarn mirrors moonlight drifting across a crisp evening sky. Just like the lunar goddess herself, Selene exudes a calm, steady energy, an invitation to slow down, create with intention, and embrace balance. And then they go, crafted with care by Darn Good Yarn. This yarn represents more than beauty. It embodies a commitment to sustainability and social empowerment, and echoing the harmony Selene brings to both cosmos and craft. Perfect for cozy scarves, warm hats, and autumn-inspired home decor, this yarn turns every project into a celebration of handmade elegance and conscious creativity. Cool. And the pattern that they include for knitting is an adventurer's hat. So that's the hat. Interesting. Looks kind of big. Oh, cool. And the crochet pattern is Kenzie Bralette. So that's interesting. So it would probably look cool with this. It'd probably look nice with jeans on. So I may actually try that. Yeah. It looks like it takes the 3 skeins for the crochet pattern. And I guess the hat one for the knit one says 225 yards. Yeah, and then they, oops, I didn't mean to tear that. Here's a bottom picture. of someone wearing the top. And this is one of the designers. So she says, Carrie Boyle. Carrie is a proud empath and constantly anxious. She knits to keep herself from melting down and making her eyes all puffy. She hates that. She lives with her husband, 3 kids, dog, bunny, and 2 chinchillas in an apartment in Boise, Idaho. So yeah. Oh, and the little gift that we got for this month, like, you know, the little extra, which is really cool. I really like the case that it came in, and it's actually, yeah, it's like, ooh, fancy. It's a row counter. So that's pretty cool. I do have some of these, but I don't have one like this because this one actually has an LED. So it'll light up so you can read the numbers in the dark. So that I thought was pretty cool. So yeah. So that's everything. And yeah, the subscription comes with 3 hanks, I believe. And I think it's $25 a month, but don't quote me on that. And you get a 35% off coupon discount that you can use if you want to purchase other stuff. And, oops, sorry, something fell. And the shipping is $3.95 for within the US if you're with their yarn subscription. And then also if you order something, you also get that discounted shipping within the US. And I think that's everything. But you can look up the price for that on their website of how much it costs. And you can also modify it, like skip a month or 2 months, or you can pause it, or you can add an extra skein to it if you want, and the extra skein costs $8. So I think that's everything. So have a great day or night. Take care. Bye.